Every designer will have this question, am I a good designer? I can't answer that, but how to become a better designer is learning about layouts in graphic designing. So in this video, I'll brief you a few points which you can apply before designing anything to make your designs look professional. Number one is using grids. There are many grids which all the top designers follow. I'm going to take an example of modular grid. So when you apply modular grid in your layouts, you never have to be worried about the alignment issues. So here's a design with grid and without grid. Now you can easily notice which design looks better, right? Number two is hierarchy. I say this in all my videos. Hierarchy is the most important principle in graphic designing. So why designers use hierarchy in their designs is to control the viewer's eyes, where they want to see first in your design. It can be an image, text, or any element. Hierarchy makes a lot of difference in your designs. Also guys, if you are able to identify the hierarchy in any design by just looking at it, you're already in a level of a pro designer. Number three is balance. Finding a proper balance in your designs is little tricky. I'll show you an easy trick. So here's a design which has hierarchy, but when you draw a straight line in the center, you can compare right and left. If you see on the right, there are a lot of elements added and making the left part look empty. So when I move things around, you can compare both sides, which looks perfectly balanced. You can also do it in multiple ways. Just make sure to follow the line trick. Number four is white balance. White balance is also known as negative space. It can add sense of luxury, elegance, and premium look in your designs. High-end brands often use a lot of white space. Here are a few examples. This poster has a lot of white space. You can use white space to make people focus on main element in your design, but you should use it correctly where it's required. So audience won't skip your design because it's too empty. This is a poster. It's shown that if you use negative space with some creativity, which will make anyone think for a second when they look at it. A quick tip, always think outside the box. That's what will make you unique from other designers. Tools and softwares anybody can learn, but generating unique ideas will make you reach your goal and be consistent. That's all for this video, but I'll be adding a clear-cut tutorial on each of these points in coming videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post. See you all in another video.